Hi, welcome to this video. Now, in this video, we're going to cover another question that is mostly used and asked during interview. And this question is about the fizzBuzz. Yeah. So we'll run direct into our question that we need to understand here. So the question is, write a program that console logs the number from 1 to n, but for multiples of 3 prints. Okay. But for multiples of 3 prints fizz instead of the number, and for the multiples of both 3 and 5 prints fizzBuzz. Okay. We need an example that is going to show us what we mean by that. And this is the example here. So fizzBuzz 5 and we'll just jump directly into our function that is the fizzBuzz and the fizzBuzz is going to have a parameter of n numbers, and we're going to iterate through the n numbers. So for let I is equals to 1, or else I is less or equals to n, and this is incrementing. So when you have this loop, we're going to have a condition here that is if I modulus of modulus of I need the modulus. Why do I have modulus here in my keyboard? Modulus of 3 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0, and I into modulus of 5 is equals to 0. So this is going to return first we can, we don't need if that statement else is true, that's what we're going to return. Else else if else if we're going to have else if index and modulus module 3, then we're going to return 0, and else if this is not else if I modulus of 5 then you're going to have 0, else 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 we're going to have we're going to console.log log. You're going to console log this index. Another one, you're going to console log. We can console log all this and see what we're going to have here. Console .log fizzBuzz. Fizz, it's a string. It's going to be fizzBuzz. So let us try and console this function, see what we're going to have. Then again, I'm going to use this. Let us see what we're going to return. We're going to compile our code using runtime. Very nice. Now you see when you console this, it's giving us exactly what we need. But now console.log fizzBuzz, that is going to have, why am I getting undefined? Am I getting undefined? So I'm getting one element that is undefined, fizzBuzz. Console.log. But now you can see these elements are console logging, and the index is logging as well. So this is all about fizzBuzz, and I'll see you in the next episode of our series.